Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the high content niche and the ebooks niche. These are great keywords to utilize for the title or subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots. Now let's get started with the first keyword, and our first keyword for the day out of the 3 is an amazing one. It is titled All You Need to Know About Math in One Big Fat Book. Now this is a great keyword. Total results are 14, super low. Bestseller rank is under 300,000 and also preferably under 100,000 as well, and it is averaging at 51,134. Average reviews are 5,938 and average price is $14.19. Now Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now you could use this keyword in 3 main ways. 1 out of the 3. Either you write a high content book that is titled All You Need to Know About Math in One Big Fat Book, and it would be a book that is targeted to either adults or children about maths, so the fundamentals of maths, and then you would also dive into algebra, divisions, pyramids, all these kind of different subdivisions of maths, and that is one way to go. Another way to go is you could utilize this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything that is math related that is published in your portfolio and that is live. So whether that is an activity book, a workbook, a high content book, if it is maths related, whether it's for children or for adults, go ahead and update your 7 keyword slots for this amazing keyword in order to get it ranking and listing as soon as possible. And I've used this strategy many times now. Usually in about every 3 to 4 months, I go in to the top books that I have selling and I update the 7 keyword slots with the relevant keywords that are the most trending for that time. Now I don't go ahead and update all 7. Sometimes it's just 1, sometimes it's 2 keywords, but it really does make a difference, especially when you have books that are not selling quite well, books that you want to push further. Now I wouldn't go ahead and add any keyword. It needs to be specific and it needs to be relevant to that book. So this is our first keyword, All You Need to Know About Math in One Big Fat Book. And as you can tell, we've got a couple of books that are ranking quite well that are not sponsored, starting with this one, which has a bestseller rank of 462, and it is titled The Workman Publishing Company to Ace Math in One Big Fat Notebook, and it is currently selling around 3,510 copies per month. Next, we've got a couple of sponsored books which we're going to go ahead and ignore, and we've got a more specialty book which is more towards algebra and pre-algebra as well, and it's published by the same company. It has a bestseller rank of 427. There is no current ads running, selling around 3,720 copies. Next up, we've got that again from the same company, 1,120 as the bestseller rank. We've got 610 as the bestseller for this one, 462, 1,100, 2,700, 47,000, as you can see right over here as well. So I wouldn't sleep on this wonderful keyword. And the third way you can use this keyword is to use it in the subtitle as well, for any book that is math related, that is a high content book as well. So that was the 3 ways you can utilize this wonderful keyword. Let's head to keyword number 2 out of the 3 for today, and it is buttercream frosting recipe book. Now this is a great keyword to use in order to expand your Amazon KDP portfolio and in order to create different types of books as well. Now what you're doing here, you're creating a recipe book, and it's specifically about teaching different buttercream frosting recipes as well. Now you could do the Danish buttercream frosting, the Russian buttercream, you could do the different cultures and their different buttercreams. You can go about it in many ways. You can create a book specialized for children, a book specialized for adults. It is completely up to you, and you can be quite flexible as well. The total results for this wonderful keyword is 770. It does, however, have quite a slightly high bestseller rank, more higher than we would like it to be, but I wouldn't sleep on this keyword because there is potential to rank your book, and there's also potential potential to diversify your KDP portfolio. I wouldn't sleep on that at all. And it has an average bestseller rank of 608,323, average reviews of 303, average price is $11.87, and also a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 7, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now, another way you could use this wonderful keyword, rather than creating a whole new recipe book about buttercream frosting, if you currently have a recipe book that is published in your KDP portfolio, go ahead and add this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. Or even if you have a recipe book that is more of a log book, like a blank recipe book for customers to input their own customized recipes, go ahead and add this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and it will get ranking hopefully in the meantime. So that was the second keyword. Let's hop to our third and final keyword for the day, and this one's connected as well, and this one's cake decorating instruction book. Then again, the same thing applies. You can either use this as part of the title by creating a whole new fresh book teaching cake decorating for either children or adults, or you can even number 2 is use it as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything that is recipe related, anything that is cake related in your KDP portfolio, or you could use it as part of the subtitle as well. Now we've got here total results 970, bestseller rank 699,452, average reviews 580, average price is $13.78, and we have a really good keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Scrolling down, we have a couple of books that are ranking quite well, starting with this one. It's not sponsored, and it has a bestseller rank under 100,000, and it is currently averaging 36,687 as the bestseller rank, selling around 180 copies on an approximate per month, generating around $514. Next up, we've got a couple of others as well. This one is also about cake decorating. We've got more cake decorating specifics right over here. As you can see, we've got this one with an average bestseller rank of 104,010, and it is selling around 30 copies on a monthly basis, generating a beautiful $100 per month just from sales alone on this simple ebook. Next up, 44,212 as the best seller. We've got 15,000 for this one, the perfect cake as well. So this is a great keyword to utilize. These were the 3 keywords that I shared with you in today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel in order to be notified every time we publish a video. Take care and have a great day.